7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy.
Good morning, T-Birds. It's Sofia.
And I'm Jordan. Today is Tuesday, February 25th, and you're watching Multicultural TV. In today's Black History Month Spotlight, we're talking about Huey P. Newton. Mr. Newton was a political activist and revolutionary. He co-founded the Black Panther Party in 1966, and he overcame illiteracy and eventually earned a PhD. Mr. Newton was shot and killed in Oakland, California, August 22nd, 1989.
Speaking of Black History Month, what does Black History mean to you?
You know, Black History Month to me means like recognition of all our black, superstars in the past and maybe in the present too. That's what it means to me. You?
I agree with you actually. Even though this is the last week of Black History Month, culture should be celebrated year-round. Tahoma TV asked other students on campus why Black History Month is important to them.
But like one person nowadays I would say is like LeBron. He does a lot of stuff for the community. I don't really like him as a player though, but...
Why is Black History Month important to you?
Black History Month is important to me because celebrating it and every year for everybody is to help us remember bad things that have happened in the past and how not to repeat history.
Because for everything we've been through, it's good to have a month, but it's like a con, because it's the shortest month, but I think it's very important to the black community,
Okay.
And don't forget, there is a Black History Assembly on Thursday, February 28th.
Speaking of culture, our Multicultural Assembly will be here before you know it. And now is the time for our auditions. If your club is interested in performing for the multicultural event, audition forms are due Friday, March 1st. You can pick up forms in the office and return them to Mr. Westroom, number 606. Auditions will be held Tuesday, March 5th.
We have spirit. Yes, we do. We have spirit. How about you? If you like cheer, then attend the cheer interest meeting today at 2:30 in room 613. A sign-up sheet is available in the main office.
Seniors, the Washington State Opportunity Scholarship is open. If you are a senior with a 2.75 GPA or higher, you have the opportunity to access over $2,000, $20,000 in scholarship funds. The deadline is February 28th.
Hey Jordan, what is your favorite cafeteria meal?
Gotta go with the roots, chicken nuggets and fries,
Well,
Oh.
Okay.
You?
I like the barbecue pulled pork sandwiches. Those are really good.
I don't like them. But
While there are mixed emotions when it comes to our options, Tahoma TV reporter Dylan Downing went around asking what students like to eat.
My name is Dylan Downing, and we're going to ask kids what's their favorite cafeteria food.
This, what we have here, I don't know what it is. They just kind of chop up potatoes and just mash it up, and then they call it food. I don't know if it is food. This isn't really meat. For some reason it tastes like corn, but they say it's chicken.
All right, thank you. This slice of pizza. The other slices of pizza aren't as good as this one, but this slice of pizza right here is perfect in every imaginable way.
I gotta say, either the nachos or the chicken pop bowl. With the nachos, you can really taste all the plastics and glass in it. But other than that, it kind of lacks in taste.
Favorite food here's the pizza, the pepperoni one. I like when it's all burnt. It tastes better because the pizza here's not that good.
Today's Ask an Anchor question is mayo or ketchup?
For me, I like the mix. I think it goes with everything. Burger, fries, even possibly on my sandwich. Who knows? What about you?
For me, mayo tastes weird by itself, but when it's when I get it when it's on a sandwich from a fast food place, it tastes good. But I like ketchup more because that's just how it was since I was little.
Yeah, couldn't agree more. Well, that does it for today's news. Thanks again. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jordan. Subscribe to us on YouTube to never miss a story.
Once a T-Bird, always a T-Bird. Have a great day.